Far East Heart, a long, narrow country leaning toward the South China Sea. These lands stretch from north to south for 1,650 kilometers. To the west, Laos and Cambodia. To the north, China. To the east, a boundless sea. This is Vietnam. On the map, it resembles a narrow S shape. But inside this narrow shape fits a whole continent. Yes, this country is a natural treasure. In the north, misty mountains and rice terraces. In the center, tropical forests and caves. In the south, deltas, rivers, and ocean coasts. Vietnam is one of the rare places where nature and people still touch each other. Here, life flows to the rhythm of nature. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe to join me on this journey. Let's enrich the conversation with your comments. Your feedback is truly valuable to me. North, land of mountains and mist. Travel to northern Vietnam, you vanish into clouds. Sapa and Ha Giang mountains are shrouded in early morning mist. The mist swallows village rooftops. On the terraces, villagers work. They plow the land with buffaloes. Each step is centuries of effort. Hmong and Dao people live here. In colorful clothes, they preserve their culture. The mountains of Sapa are more than landscapes. They carry stories. Every stone and every tree has a tale. Natural wonder, Ha Long Bay. On the northeast coast, a different miracle appears. Ha Long Bay. Legend says dragons descended from the sky and left these rocks in the sea. About 2,000 islands. Limestone towers rise like columns. They seem scattered over the sea. In misty mornings, boats slide between the rocks. A scene straight from a fairy tale. The sea is a silent mirror. But inside that mirror, thousands of years of geological history lie hidden. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe to join me on this journey. Let's enrich the conversation with your comments. Your feedback is truly valuable to me. Central Vietnam, the world's largest cave. Moving to central Vietnam, nature's depths open. Phong Nha, Ki Bang National Park. Mysteries of the underground are hidden here. And the world's largest cave, Sun Doong, was discovered here. It is so big that a skyscraper could fit inside. It has its own river, its own forest, even its own climate. When light filters through the cave ceiling, you feel on another planet. Waterfalls, lakes, and forests. Vietnam amazes not only with mountains and caves, but also with waterfalls. Ban Giok Waterfall flows like a giant curtain on the China border. Barbie Lake, surrounded by forest, is a quiet paradise. Early in the morning, only birds can be heard. Exotic animals live in the forests. Endemic birds, rare plants, slow-moving turtles. Vietnam is one of the richest countries in the world in biodiversity. The south, life on the Mikong Delta. As you move south, the land transforms. Here, life flows with the waters. The Mekong River begins high in the Himalayas, travels thousands of kilometers, and finally divides into a vast delta before meeting the sea. This is the Mekong Delta, a world built on water. Houses stand on stilts above canals. Markets float on rivers. At sunrise, hundreds of boats gather, their decks stacked with fruits, rice, flowers, and spices. People call out prices, laughter echoes over the rippling water. Here, the river is not just nature, it is the pulse of life. Land of monsoons. To understand Vietnam's nature, know its climate. Life here depends on monsoon rains. When the rainy season comes, the soil fills with water. Rice fields shine like mirrors. In the dry season, the sun turns the soil golden. This cycle of nature is reflected in the culture and rituals of the people. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe to join me on this journey. Let's enrich the conversation with your comments. Your feedback is truly valuable to me. Spirit of Vietnam. Mountains, deltas, caves, and seas. All together make the spirit of Vietnam. Here, nature is not just scenery. Every river feeds a family. Every field carries a village's past. Every rock holds a legend. Vietnam is a country where humans and nature are inseparable. They complete each other. That is why it is one of the most special lands in the world.